Right guys, so this part of the video might be helpful for you even if you're not replacing the indicator unit and just looking to get your cover off for any reason. Obviously, I have seen a lot of people asking about this, so I'm going to show you how to do it properly, because some people say on the internet that you just have to pry it off with your fingers and it'll come off. But I will be honest, it will be tight on there guys, and with the fingers it doesn't really come off. So what I would definitely recommend is having one of them plastic tools guys, trim tool, and start by getting it in here. You're going to see that it is very tight guys, so just get it just under there and you'll see it'll pop off. Like I said, it is very tight, so it starts coming off from that side. All you have to do is just get your tool in there, and there you go, that comes off. Just push it off. As you can see, they're just the plastic clips that sit in place, but they are very tough, so I would definitely recommend using the plastic tools guys. Right guys, to fit the cover back on, nice and easy. Obviously, locate it properly, make sure it's in line with everything, and you'll feel it clipping back on. Like I say, it will be tight, but it will clip in. There you go, it's clipped on now, and everything's aligned guys. Let me just double check that everything's working. Yeah, lovely. And that's job done guys.